We don't need to do anything to go into anger. We don't need to do anything extra to go into aggression, violence. We don't need to go in to do anything extra to follow our greed and desires blindly, because there is a pull, that is the animal process in us. If you follow that blindly, you can see that it has its consequences. It entangles us more. It is unsensible to the wholeness of the situation. And in a careful consideration, we see that it is not an answer coming from our clarity and intelligence. It is simply something like an automatic, robot-like reaction. But not to follow that blindly and not just only suppress it, but to see, to understand, to consider what is an intelligent way to answer to this challenge. What is an intelligent way to go about this desire, this wish, these feelings? That is our chance as human being. That is our responsibility as a human being. And that is what we need to understand and bring into living, because that is what helps us to rise to the human potential. That is what leads us to clarity and freedom. And that is what finally makes us capable to look and understand each other more deeply. That is where you see that behind all this possibility of entanglement, deep within in everybody there is an innocent being. There is a child who wants to come in terms with the world. There is that one in us who also wants to be happy, who wants to be loved, who wants to enjoy life. So when you see that in yourself through your careful observation and consideration, you will be also able to see that it is the same story with every human being. Then you also see that behind everything, everybody is very vulnerable, very fragile, deeply helpless in a certain way of looking. But life has given us the chance to look, to consider, to take steps.